tour before we mess it up, okay? So, this is the front door. Come in the front door in our room. We have a closet, a robe, and the safe is here. Some extra bedding, ironing board. And these rooms are all carpeted. So instead of having the wood floors, they have carpet. And then sliding door for the bathroom. Like so. Tub shower. Nice rainfall shower head there. Single sink. These look a lot like the kind of bathrooms at the Polynesian, I think. There's another robe. And then the room for the toilet, it's on its own, has its own door. Here's the little bathroom amenities that we get. This really cool, like a clear facial soap. Look, it's got the A on it. You see it? That's cool. And then over here, we have a bath soap, and then body lotion, shampoo. These are all H2O products. Conditioner, body wash. And I think those are just doubles back there. So yeah, really cool. And then you come out, have our refrigerator, microwave, cups, wine glasses, ice bucket. This is a DVC studio, by the way. Deluxe Ocean View Studio. Trash. Fridge. We picked up some beer at the Target. Full length mirror. Me. Hi. This is a connecting room. So queen size bed. And then a Bob and a Kaya. Do they come with the room?
No, I think so.
So this couch that they're on is a pull-out couch. A queen pull-out couch, and then your blankets and stuff are in there. And then we have a table and chairs.
See Mickey lamp with the surfboard?
TV. Oh, I'll show you that in a minute. We have a DVD player. I'm assuming that we can get movies, you know, somewhere downstairs. And then the lamp with the Mickey and the surfboard and the ukulele. So mirror, but this is the best part. We showed you this already, but they're making some kind of noise out there. This is the best part. You can see the ocean, see the surf right there. The waves coming in. So we are up on the 14th floor. And this is gorgeous. Looks like you can swim down there in the lagoon. This is the other tower over here. So I think we're in the Eva Tower. It's spelled E-W-A, but you pronounce it Eva. Lobby down there.
And that's the ocean.
Yeah, my battery's fixing to run out. So that is our tour. It's a pretty big balcony. Pretty good size. 2 chairs and a table and a kaya. And that's the mountain view over there. Right over there. So cool beans. We love it. We're super happy. And we're gonna settle in a little bit. And we'll talk to you later.